So, how do these reference types work? We'll use an example here of a weak reference, but similar ideas apply to soft references, assuming that the softly referenced object has been garbage collected. So the idea is something like this. We allocate a new object. So here we're doing person, person equals new person, and we have a strong reference to this person object. And then we come along and we create a weak reference to the object. And the way we do that is by doing new weak reference and passing the weak reference a reference to our person object. So the weak reference has now wrapped up the person's strong reference. And we show that here as we have a person object with a reference to it. We have a weak reference object with a strong reference to that. And the weak reference object holds a weak reference onto the person object, shown here by the dotted line. If we then take our weak reference and call get on it, that returns a strong reference to the object. So we can say person p equals wr.get, and that returns a strong reference to the person object that already exists. Now suppose we set the person reference to null. Now at this point, we're assuming that no garbage collection happens. So we have no strong reference to the person object now, but we still have a weak reference to it. And so long as there's no garbage collector, that object is still alive. We can now call wr.get and return the strong reference to that object. So long as no garbage collection has happened, that object is still available and can be retrieved through the weak reference. However, if we have a scenario that was similar to the above, but we set the person reference to null, so we set the strong reference to null, and then the garbage collector runs, and we show that here by calling system.gc. Now, the person object goes away. So our person reference is set to null, and the weakly referenced object is now no longer referencing anything. At this point, if we call wr.get, then we return null. So p is now referencing null, person's referencing null. There's no strongly referenced object in memory for us to reference anymore. So let's write some code to see that.